Crocker Pizza Maker and I absolutely love it. I have purchased at least 3, one for myself, one for my son, my daughter, and I've probably purchased at least 1 or 2 as gifts along the way. Super easy to use. You just plug it in and then wait for the green light to go on. This is really my go-to when I don't want to cook dinner. I just want an easy meal, so I will use this. And it's usually frozen pizzas. It's turned green now, so I can go ahead and open it up. You do have to be careful because it's pretty hot. And so I just take one of the frozen pizzas and stick it in there. And then I usually just add a little bit of extra cheese. This one actually has quite a bit of cheese, but I'll add a little bit extra for luck. And then let it cook for about 20-25 minutes. That's the one problem, is that it doesn't have any sort of timing system, but you just kind of have to keep checking on it. All right, it's been 20 minutes. So of course it will vary depending on whatever pizza you're using, but this is ready to go, ready to cut it up. Here's a couple other things that I like to use this pizza maker for. One is a quesadilla and the other is a grilled cheese. You can leave the top open, or you can close it down for a little bit and then open it back up. But either way, those are a couple other great little quick meals to make. So once you're done with the pizza maker, you're gonna be careful because it is hot. Go ahead and unplug it and then just let it cool off. And once it cools off, you can just go ahead and wipe it down. So I really love this pizza maker and I would definitely recommend it.